Sorry folks, my finger touched something and the video stopped. But yeah, we were looking at the engine. She's happy. I'm going to start closing stuff down. Okay, let's start with the interior. Passenger front door. Lower and upper glow compartments. Owner's manual. No rips or tears on any part of the leather. Power seat for passenger. WeatherTech floor mats. Look at this guy, man. Heated seats, cooled seats, climate control, digital, 4x4. We'll go to the other side in a minute, but rear sliding glass control right there, which is right there. All right, are we done here? Next, passenger side rear door, WeatherTech floor mats, a seat that I don't think anyone ever sat in, rear heated seats for rear passengers. Let's take a look at the dash from here. Everything is fully detailed, folks. Everything. That's how we do it. Virginia State inspected maybe 2 or 3 days ago. Alpine premium surround sound system. Plenty of photos will be at trimaxauto.com. Point of contact Justin, sales, service, finance. He will answer all of your questions. Are we done here? I think so. Where's my rag? My detailer will be upset at me if I don't use a rag. Driver's side rear door. No scratches, rips, tears, nothing. WeatherTech's from this side. Yes, these seats move. You already know that. Done. Next, driver door. Truck guys know what that is. The lights are on right now because I wanted you to see them. All right, I'm gonna jump in. Show the back seat is full. Yes, you can adjust your pedals right there. Heated steering wheel, heated and cooled front seats, heated rear seats. Absolutely gorgeous truck. Gorgeous. One owner. I'm gonna keep saying that. One owner. I'm gonna zoom out. Nope, let's zoom in, bud. There she is. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Nobody sat in that back seat. Okay. Are we done here? Nope, steering wheel buttons. There are your buttons. That's it. That's my rag. Yeah, I think we're done. What do you think? folks, if you have any questions, Justin will be happy to answer it when you call. So don't worry. Lumbar support, memory. Are we done? I'm closing it. What are we looking at here? We're looking at a dually Cummins diesel 3500, one owner, Virginia truck, no rust, 6 brand new tires, road force balance, with complete service done on it. You are getting in it and driving it. It's overcast. I wish it was not. So you can really see how gorgeous this white is. Can I show it? I'll try. But I mean, there's no sun. Virgin. What's the mileage on this guy? 2 something, which is nothing for a Cummins. 213,033. How many more miles can it run? Oh, you don't want to know that. She'll just keep running. You just maintain it. All right, that's it. Running boards, yes, you can see them. And I'm sorry, my finger touched on the other video. So, yeah. Oh, did I not show from the front? I don't think I did. There she is. Yeah. When you have a no-rust truck, that's how they look. She's happy, she's on the regen cycle, and I'm not gonna disturb her. But folks, thank you so much. Thank you for everything. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. We know what we're doing. We know these cars. If you bought a vehicle from us and you need service done, since 2007, we've been servicing cars. Jaguar Land Rover is our main thing, and we will always have plenty of Range Rovers and Jaguars. Diesels, yes, we know our diesels. So you get lifetime discount of labor on parts and labor. Did I just say? Yeah, I think I said the wrong thing. You get lifetime discount on parts and labor if you bought it from us. One last look. That's it, folks. Thank you so much. Let us know if we can help you guys out. Bye.